Hi, I'm Eder, and today we're looking at our 2023 Outdoors RV 20BD Backcountry Series. Let's take a look.
In the back of the coach, you'll find the mountain storage system, which is a 2-inch receiver hitch and a toy lock. With the backcountry package, you do receive the No Boundaries off-grid 170-watt solar panel, as well as the Cummins Onan 3.6 onboard LP generator, the 100 gallons of fresh water capacity, and 40 pounds of propane capacity. All Outdoors RV come with KYB shocks, Dextra axles, and the MoreRide CRE 3000 suspension. In the front compartment, you'll find the MoreRide sliding cargo tray. And on the inside, we have big dinette with large panoramic thermal pane windows, a full-size kitchen with 3 range burners, a microwave oven, and an 8 cubic foot electric and propane refrigerator. In the bathroom, you'll find a full walk-in shower with a bathtub, a porcelain toilet, and lots of storage. Going towards the bedroom, you'll see a full 60 by 80 queen size bed with storage underneath, as well as 2 separate drawers for all your camping needs.
So there you have our 2023 Outdoors RV 20BD Backcountry Series. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or visit the dealership. Here at Broadmoor RV, we make camping fun.
When it comes to service, we're number one at Broadmoor RV. We make camping fun.